Hi guys, welcome to Adobe Photoshop tutorials. Sometimes we create gradients in our projects and decide to use it in the other projects or maybe at the next time. You can keep colors code in your mind and create it again at the next. Did you do that? It's very boring. It seems stupid. Fortunately, Adobe lets us to save our gradients. And the other options, we can share it on the other desktop. It's very good. Let's working on it. Go to the layer tab in this area. If you don't show this window, you can go to window at the top of the workspace and click on window tabs, and this is layers. If you click on layers, it becomes visible for you. Okay, in this tab at the bottom of that, I click on adjustment and select gradients. In this area I can select our gradients. I click on it and okay, at the top of this area, at the top of this bar, you can set the opacity of your colors, and at the bottom of that you can set your colors. Now I click on this area, and after that double click on marker and select my favorite color. This is my favorite color. It's about its cyan. I like it. At the other and okay, this is my gradient. I create it. Okay, now I want to save that. Just double click on the thumbnail of that layer, that's the gradient layer, and click on this bar and click on new. Okay, at the gradient tab you can see that my gradients is added to my workspace, to my Adobe Photoshop. If you don't see this gradient on your workspace, just go again to window and gradients. Click on gradients and it will be visible for you. Okay, now I delete it and again create another gradient. Click on adjustments and gradient colors. Okay, so I want to change it. Just go to gradient tab and click on my gradient. Oh, very fantastic, very rapid. Now at the other documents, yes, you show that I have my gradients. I have my last gradients that are created, and I can use it. And just click on adjustment gradients. Okay, and click on it. Yes, it's my gradient. Also I can use another gradients and also just gradients, for example. Okay, if I want to share my gradients at the other desktop, just hitting right click on thumbnails of your gradients and select the export selected gradients. Okay, now select an location for your files. I select desktop and select that's name. I select Muhammad Tabasi GFX, which is my Insta ID, and save it. Okay, if I go to my desktop, yes, this is my gradient. I back to Photoshop and delete this gradient. I can delete it by right click on it and select delete gradient, or click on this icon, delete it. Okay, now I want to add this gradient to my Adobe, to my workspace. Just click and drag it to the gradient tab and it's finished. Yes, this is there. This is the gradient that I created. Save it and I save on the my desktop to share it with other desktop or other laptops. Yes, it's good. It's very good. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, just comment on this video.